In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the deposit address in Trust Wallet. This handy tool allows you to manage your cryptocurrency securely from the palm of your hand. Whether you're a new user or someone looking to refresh your knowledge, this guide will simplify the process. So, let's dive in and get started. First, grab your device and go ahead and open the Trust Wallet app. Once the app loads, you'll instantly be greeted by the main interface, showcasing features like send, swap, fund, and sell. Additionally, you'll notice the assortment of tokens that you have already added to your wallet. This setup is designed to provide you with a comprehensive overview of your assets and available actions. What we're interested in exploring today is how to find your deposit address, something crucial for receiving funds from another wallet. To do this, locate and click on the Fund option from the accessible features at the top. This will present you with choices where you must select Receive from another wallet. Upon doing this, you will be navigated to a new screen displaying a list of various coins. These coins represent the different cryptocurrencies you can manage within Trust Wallet. This screen is also where you can choose a specific network for your transactions. Selecting the correct network is essential because using the wrong network could result in unwanted complications or lost funds. So take a moment to ensure you've chosen the correct one that aligns with the type of coin you're dealing with. Next, you'll see a list of all the coins available for you to receive. Find the one for which you need to copy the deposit address. Let's say you're looking to find the deposit address for a specific coin. Click on the coin, and this action will lead you to a new page where a QR code along with the address is displayed. This is your coin's unique deposit address, and the QR code is simply an alternative method for someone to obtain your address by scanning. To copy the address, look for the Copy option and tap it. This action will copy the address onto your clipboard, making it easy to paste wherever you need to, like sharing it with someone who wants to send you funds or storing it in your records. And there you have it. You've successfully found and copied a deposit address in Trust Wallet. Feel free to repeat the process for any other coins you possess. Just remember, each coin will have its own distinct deposit address and QR code, so use them wisely to ensure all funds are directed to the right place. Thanks for watching and happy transacting.